Welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me just say a big thank you and a big apology to all of you because I know I just disappeared. मतलब मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा मेरे चैनल पे that I would not be able to post videos because of multiple reasons. But yeah, there has been a lot going on, and major reason that was behind my absence is my rashes. So I got really weird rashes all over my body because of some allergic reaction, and the doctor just couldn't figure it out what caused it. But you can see some remains. I still have them on my hands and on my arm and stuff, so it's still there, but they are much better now. सिर्फ ऐसा दाग बच गया है, but then that's going slowly. So yes, I am really sorry for the absence. I know it was kind of unexplained to you guys as well, but I just want to thank you all so much for being here today, taking the time out and coming to watch my video. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate it. So talking about today's video, आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ my recent shopping haul, which is only of silver oxidized jewelry. As all of you guys who follow me on Instagram already know, your girl has started her wedding shopping. So yes, I was out for my wedding shopping and I went to this market which is called Madhuvihar Market. It's located in IP Extension, which is in Patparganj, East Delhi. Actually मेरी बुआ बहुत पास में रहती है वहाँ पे, and COVID के पहले I used to visit her every week, and that market is one of my favorite markets to shop for clothes or accessories or a lot of other things. So I went there for a part of my wedding shopping and I spotted this jewelry stall, and उनके पास जो pieces थे, I just couldn't help it but stop at their stall, take a look at their collection, and obviously you guys know I ended up picking a few for myself. To be honest, मेरे पास silver jewelry वैसे भी बहुत कम है, so I'm trying to build a collection of silver jewelry as well. So I thought, let's go ahead with it. And you guys won't believe the price that they had. The nice ones, the earrings that you see on a lot of Instagram stores these days, वो सारे थे उनके पास. And जो चीज़ आपको Instagram पे 250, 299, 399, 300 के राउंड मिलेगी, वो same to same चीज़ मुझे उस शॉप में मिली 150 रुपीज़ में. I know, unbelievable, but that's true. So let's get started with the video, and I'm gonna show you guys one by one what all I got. So the first pair of earrings that I want to talk about, and let me tell you guys, I only got earrings for myself. No necklace, no rings, no bangles, nothing. I only ended up picking like 5 pair of earrings because they were so affordable and super beautiful. So I was like, okay, that's an okay deal, so I should go ahead with it. The first one is this one that I'm currently wearing. Look at the design, it's so unique and it's so in these days. पूरा कुंदन का वर्क है, and यहाँ सेंटर में इसके मिरर लगा हुआ है. It looks really beautiful, as you guys can already see. It's very pretty, and I know they must be looking really heavy because of the design, but trust me, they are so lightweight. I mean, yes. They are really lightweight and absolutely stunning. So yeah, this is the first one that I got. On to the next pair, I got these ones. So ये मल्टी कलर में है. मेरे पास सिमिलर इयररिंग्स है सिल्वर एंड वाइट के कॉम्बिनेशन में, एंड मैंने जब इसको देखा वहाँ स्टॉल पे तो आई वाज लाइक, वाओ, this is such an amazing piece to have in my collection because it has stones of all the colors, as you can see, and this is gonna go with any outfit that you want to wear. Moreover, this design is so in these days, and I personally really love the size of it, क्योंकि you guys already know how big of a fan I am of statement earrings, so I got these. Next pair is one of my favorite. It's this one. So just look at the detailing. Oh my gosh, it's breathtaking and it's really lightweight. I know ये earrings दिखने में huge है, but they are really lightweight. Earring पहनने पे मतलब मेरा face मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like खिला खिला सा लगता है and भरा भरा सा face लगता है. So people with a slimmer structure of their face can go for these designs of earrings, like these styles, because it widens up your face and आपका face थोड़ा बड़ा लगता है normal से. So इस पे ऐसे silver balls की पूरी detailing है and then नीचे में ये pearls भी added हैं which are really beautiful. Again इसके भी नीचे में ऐसे छोटे छोटे घुंघरूज हैं which I really love. So yep, and ये बिल्कुल मुझे वैसा बंजारा स्टाइल के earrings लगे and they are gonna look so good with any outfit that has some silver detailings or any of your suits and with your tops as well. They are super versatile. Ooh, next pair is also such a stunner. This one, just look at the design and I know you guys are gonna love this too. इस earring की सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे लगी जो इसके नीचे में जो ये घुंघरू वाले tassels लगे हैं, they are really beautiful. They are giving such a delicate touch to the whole earring. I know this looks huge, but I personally love big earrings. मुझे लगता है मेरे face पे छोटे earrings एवरेज लगते हैं, बड़े earrings मुझे खुद के ऊपर पर्सनली बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. So I always end up picking some extra large pieces of earrings. So yeah, if you have the same style, I think you can pick something like this. And इस पे भी कुंदन का पूरा काम है, ऊपर में black paint का थोड़ा सा detail है बीच में, and then नीचे के portion में you see कुंदन का काम है with some silver work going on, and then नीचे में ऐसे silver घुंघरू लगे हुए हैं. So these tassels, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so the last piece that I want to show you guys in this video is my absolute favorite from this whole haul, and they are these. Yay! So इसके ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है, like this one, just look at this. It's so intricate. इसका जो डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है इस पे बहुत सुंदर है. And then ये ऐसा जो स्पाइक्स निकले हुए हैं, मुझे इस टाइप के इयरिंग्स काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए थे, you know. मैंने एक्चुअली आचो पे ऐसा सिमिलर डिज़ाइन का इयरिंग पहने हुए देखा था एक मॉडल को, एंड मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि मुझे ऐसा सिमिलर इयरिंग कहीं पे मिल जाए, बट कहीं मिला नहीं. एंड आई स्पॉटेड दिस वन सडनली इन दैट शॉप. इसके टैसल्स एक्चुअली काफ़ी बड़े थे, लाइक दे वर दिस लॉन्ग, बट वो मेरे फेस पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. दे वर लाइक टू बिग फॉर मी, और वो बिल्कुल यहाँ तक आ रहे थे मेरे ऊपर. सो मैंने शॉप वाले से पूछा कि कैन दे कट देम ऑफ एंड मेरे शोल्डर के लेंथ का बना सकते हो, टू विच दे हैप्पीली अग्रीड. सो उन्होंने इसको काट के ऐसा फिक्स कर दिया. सो आफ्टर दिस डिज़ाइन, let's move on to this beautiful detail in here. I mean ये कितना सुंदर है, ऐसा बिल्कुल chandelier look का ये earring है. I think it's a very twirly piece. I think this earring is going to be really good for my Instagram boomerang. पूरे पे ऐसे pearls का strings लगा हुआ है पतला पतला, and the best thing is pearls का size काफ़ी अच्छा है. And अगेन ये दिखने में काफ़ी हैवी लग रहा होगा, बट इट्स नॉट हैवी एट ऑल. So guys, before we finish off for this video, there's just something that I want to share with you guys, because दिल्ली की हालत फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है कोरोना केसेस के मामले में. एंड देन देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन इन दिल्ली राइट नाउ. द सिचुएशन इज़ नॉट रियली गुड. एंड मेरी खुद की सेफ्टी के लिए एंड बाकी लोगों की सेफ्टी के लिए भी आई हैव डिसाइडेड नॉट टू डू आउटडोर व्लॉग्स फॉर अ वाइल, जब तक सिचुएशन थोड़ा बेटर नहीं हो जाता है. आप लोग विश्वास नहीं करोगे, बट एज आई सेड, आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई वेडिंग शॉपिंग. यू गाइज वोंट बिलीव मी व्हेन आई से दिस, बट मेरी वेडिंग शॉपिंग का 80% मैंने ऑनलाइन लिया है. कैन यू बिलीव दैट? आई मीन लहंगा, अ फ्यू साड़ीज एंड अ फ्यू सूट्स, इन सब चीज़ों को छोड़ के बाकी सब कुछ मैंने ऑनलाइन मंगवाया है. जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है वो 80% of that stuff has been bought online, because obviously I cannot step out a lot, and I don't know when this is going to get better, but मेरा ज़्यादातर plans ऐसा मिट्टी में ही मिल जाता है. So I don't want to get super hyped up and super excited about it and then, you know, end up disappointing you guys along with myself. So I don't want to promise anything that maybe I won't be able to fulfill because of the current situation. So I will be here every week to see you guys on my regular upload schedule. So please don't forget to check out my videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Do follow me on Instagram. My handle is in the description box and somewhere here on the screen as well. I would really appreciate it if you can share this video or my previous videos with your friends and family. Whichever are your favorite. If you want to rewatch them, please do that. That would be really helpful for me to get back on track. So yeah, please drop in a comment and let me know how did you guys like this video. अगर आप लोगों में से किसी को ऐसा similar earrings चाहिए तो there are a few Instagram stores जो जो लोग यहाँ दिल्ली में नहीं रहते हैं and who cannot visit the market that I got these from, तो उन लोगों के लिए मैं ऐसा कुछ Instagram stores mention कर देती हूँ जिनसे मैंने शॉप किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, और उनके पास भी ऐसे similar designs काफ़ी सारे होते हैं. So I am going to say this to you, please take care of yourselves, please take care of your family, please don't go out if it's not very crucial, and take all the precautions. Not just about you, it's about your family. बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ को बहुत lightly ले रहे हैं, you know. ऐसा लगता है कि लोग भूल गए हैं बिल्कुल कि कोविड जैसा कुछ चल भी रहा है दुनिया में. But the families who have lost somebody that they love, only they can understand the pain that this pandemic has given us. And so yeah, it's really important to follow the instructions laid out by the government in order to keep yourself safe. And yep, I think that's really important for all of us to follow right now. Yep, stay safe, take care, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, share, do subscribe and press the bell icon, and bye.